one thing being in person, have that proximity, and then there's like this osmosis that we get from being next to a great people. And then the other thing that's been on my mind quite a lot, it wasn't only you guys being on stage, it was also like everybody in the room, and everybody was doing kind of the same to each other, and just like bringing everyone together in such an environment. I found it so helpful. It wasn't just like we're going to sit here and talk for like 3 hours. It was, let's get to it, let's do the exercises, and let's work with things. And I found myself working through things and going through the motions a lot quicker. I felt ready, and then it was like, let's do the work, and it felt all right doing it. And the thing that it feels like more permanent is, before it would feel like, oh, wouldn't that be great? So like dream wise, I'm always like, yeah, let's do this. It sounds amazing. But then it's like that little voice that starts to grow, and it's just like, ah. For London, it was on my doorstep. So it felt really easy to actually get to it. But now arranging to come to Santa Monica, and then in the meantime, like I'm gonna also go visit my brother, which I haven't seen since my wedding, which he has 4 kids, his wife, and then also visit my sister. And it's just like I wouldn't have done that before, because before I thought it was like, knock knock, is anyone there? Let's like dodge, let's hide. But with this, because I felt that came through willing to speak something out loud and willing to stand with it and actually believe in it, versus kind of wishy-washy, yeah, wouldn't it be nice? And that it's a good step to start, but now it's kind of, I knock and I kind of wait for the answer, and then like the door opens and I'm like, I'm coming in. Finding that inner power. The thing that came to me earlier was how power and love can coexist. Because before, for me, it was a bit like, yeah, power is good, but let's leave it in the corner. Love, yeah, let's do that. But like coming in that space and seeing how both can coexist, and how one can be the other, how they can both work together, and they can also be different, and how they can be funneled and fueled towards specific directions to create ourselves. Because I love creating. I do find myself being a creator and being very creative, but it feels like it's taken it to another level.